Welcome to this Proteus 8 movie. Proteus version 8 includes a new feature called Live Netlisting. Live Netlisting allows all the major tools within Proteus to communicate. This includes the schematic, the PCB layout, the bill of materials, the 3D viewer, the Design Explorer, and other modules. This communication between the modules means that any changes made in one is instantly reflected across the entire design. To facilitate the Live Netlisting feature, all of the design data, including the schematic and the PCB layout, are contained in one common database and in a single project file. To demonstrate this, we've loaded a small project file called PPSU. PPSU includes a schematic, a PCB layout, we also have a bill of materials, and we have the 3D viewer for it open at this point in time. I'm going to open both the schematic and the PCB layout in a single window in order to demonstrate this. I now have our schematic and our PCB layout viewable. As an example, if I was to delete capacitor C1 in our schematic, it instantly goes into low light in our PCB layout. I can then go down and commit the changes, and capacitor C1 is now removed from our PCB layout. If I go back into my schematic now and decide to undelete the component that was deleted earlier by doing a Control-Z, it comes back into the schematic and back into the printed circuit board. Here I've now replaced our PCB with our bill of materials. If we now go back into our schematic and eliminate one of the components, such as R3 for instance, we'll see that R3 is instantly removed from the bill of materials. This gives you an overview of the Live Netlisting feature within Proteus version 8. Of course, the Live Netlisting feature also works in conjunction with the 3D viewer as well as the Design Explorer.